Ethereum. Ethereum is one kind of digital currency or cryptocurrency, a medium of exchange that exists exclusively online. Ethereum is among the most popular cryptocurrencies and ranks second in the cryptocurrency world. Cryptocurrency is getting more attention around the world, as it is decentralized money that everyone can control itself. Still don't know what Ethereum is and how it works? This video will teach you all about them. What is Ethereum? After watching this video, you'll understand what Ethereum is and how it works. But before getting further into the video, I want to welcome all of you to the Money Masters. We provide you the most up-to-date financial and everyday market information videos daily. So subscribe to the Money Masters so you can be notified instantly and stay ahead of the game. Back to the video. So what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain with smart contract functionality. Ether, ETH, is the native cryptocurrency of the platform. Amongst cryptocurrencies, Ether is second only to Bitcoin in market capitalization. Before diving further, let me explain a few key points. What is decentralization, open source, and blockchain? Decentralization. Decentralization is the process by which the activities of an organization, particularly those regarding planning and decision-making, are distributed or delegated away from a central authoritative location or group. So in short, decentralized money is money that is not controlled by any intermediary or bank. Open source. Open source software, OSS, is a computer software that is released under a license in which the copyright holder grants users the right to use, study, change, and distribute the software and its source code to anyone and for any purpose. Ethereum is an open source platform that lets you build your own decentralized applications and earn a tradable cryptocurrency called Ether. These apps are all built using blockchain technology, and Ether can be used to pay for services on the network. Blockchain. As per Wikipedia, a blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data, generally represented as Merkle tree. The timestamp proves that the transaction data existed when the block was published in order to get into its hash. As blocks each contain information about the blocks previous to it, they form a chain, with each additional block reinforcing the ones before it. Therefore, blockchains are resistant to modification of their data because once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without altering all subsequent blocks. Blockchains are typically managed by a peer-to-peer network for use as a publicly distributed ledger, where nodes collectively adhere to a protocol to communicate and validate new blocks. Although blockchain records are not unalterable as forks are possible, blockchains may be considered secure by design and exemplify a distributed computing system with high Byzantine fault tolerance. So if we say in short, as a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. The network's users can create, publish, monetize, and use applications on the platform and use its Ether cryptocurrency as payment. Insiders call the decentralized applications on the network dApps. The cryptocurrency that started as a joke is now worth 90 billion. That merits attention. But for those just beginning to take the field seriously, the two big names in the 2.2 trillion cryptocurrency market remains Bitcoin and Ether. How does Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file that is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or a computer. People can send Bitcoins, or part of one, to your digital wallet, and you can send Bitcoins to other people. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called a blockchain. This makes it possible to trace the history of Bitcoins to stop people from spending coins they do not own, making copies, or undoing transactions. There are three main ways people get Bitcoins. You can buy Bitcoins using real money, you can sell things and let people pay you with Bitcoins, or they can be created using a computer. People set up powerful computers just to try and get Bitcoins. This is called mining, but the sums are becoming more and more difficult to stop too many Bitcoins from being generated. If you started mining now, it could be years before you got a single Bitcoin. You could end up spending more money on electricity for your computer than Bitcoin could be worth. How does Ethereum work? Ethereum operates on a decentralized computer network or distributed ledger called a blockchain, which manages and tracks the currency. It can be useful to think of a blockchain as a running receipt of every transaction that's ever taken place in the cryptocurrency. Computers in the network verify the transactions and ensure the integrity of the data. Ethereum offers a wide range of functions. Currency. With a cryptocurrency wallet, you can send and receive Ether or pay for goods and services if the digital currency is accepted as payment. Some platforms such as Coinbase even allow you to take custody of your coins in a digital wallet, so you can make them less exposed to hackers, in theory. Non-fungible tokens. These tokens can be powered by Ethereum and can allow artists or others to sell art or other items directly to buyers using smart contracts. Ether coins and those of other cryptocurrencies are mined by the computers on the network. They perform mathematical calculations that effectively unlock coins or fractions of coins. That setup is changing, however. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains use what's called proof of work to mine new coins and validate transactions. It's an expensive, energy-intensive, and time-consuming process that can clog the network. So the minds behind Ethereum have decided to change their system to a proof-of-stake system, which is nicknamed Ethereum 2.0. To get a full understanding of Ethereum works, we need to understand one more essential point, that is smart contracts. Smart contracts work by following simple if, when, then statements that are written into code on a blockchain. A network of computers executes the actions when predetermined conditions have been met and verified. These actions could include releasing funds to the appropriate parties, registering a vehicle, sending notifications, or issuing a ticket. The blockchain is then updated when the transaction is completed. That means the transaction cannot be changed, and only parties who have been granted permission can see the results. Organizations that use blockchain for business provide templates, web interfaces, and other online tools to simplify structuring smart contracts. Benefits of smart contracts. Smart contracts are very useful. For example, speed, efficiency, and accuracy, trust and transparency, security, and savings. Although this video is about Ethereum, we will make another video to delve more into smart contracts. Subscribe to the Money Master so you can be one of the first ones to see it. Is Ethereum better than Bitcoin? According to Investopedia, unlike the Bitcoin blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain was not created to support a cryptocurrency. The Ether cryptocurrency was created to provide an in-house currency for applications built on the Ethereum blockchain. In other words, Ethereum has wider ambitions. It wants to be a platform for all kinds of applications that can store information safely. Despite their differences, the two are the creators of virtual currencies and have become rivals in the investing world. And virtual currencies are just that. They are coins that have no physical existence, but are represented by a string of codes that can be exchanged at a price agreed upon by a buyer and a seller. Buy or mine Ethereum. If you're looking to speculate on Ethereum, it's simple to just buy and trade the cryptocurrency on a popular trading platform, such as Robinhood or Binance.us. You can access the market 24 hours a day and you'll have a good liquidity, meaning you can transact without moving the price much. The profit calculus is simple too. You profit when you sell coins for more than you paid. If you're thinking about mining Ethereum, you have to think like a business owner. You'll have to invest significant amounts of money in mining rigs so that you can produce a cryptocurrency, and then you'll have to expend costly electricity as you mine it. So in short, if you're beginning into cryptocurrency, just buy and play around. Once you have much experience and revenue, you can move up to mining. Always study the market before making decisions and keep experts around you. Subscribe to the Money Masters and keep us around to guide you in the future. If you have any questions, please place them in the comment section down below. I'd love to answer them. See you with another great video. Until then.